To change the icon style on Realme GT7 Pro, first we'll need to open our settings. Then we can move to wallpaper and style. Right here, scroll down and there's the icons section. Now you can choose between different presets for your icons, or you can go for custom and then customize it however you like with different options. But in this case, let's choose one of the presets, and then for also each of them, you can their settings might be different. You can change different styles as well. For example, art plus icons. Then we can enable for a classic, icon size, show app names underneath, and change the size of app names as well. Then click on apply, and the settings for our icons should change just like that.